Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dima Cynthia. If today is the first time of seeing me, don't forget to subscribe, okay? So yeah, today I'm running some errands as I'm working on introducing this video. I have some errands to run today, so I decided to go with you guys. Right now I'm going to post office. So guys, it's snowing now, and man, we are going home. We're tired. We're waiting for our bus to come so that we can go. We've been walking today. You guys don't even know what happened today, but I guess I will gist you guys later. Maybe not. But right now, we're at the bus station. Oh boy. We even entered what's it called? Shopping mall. That was not the plan at all. Okay. So say hi now. Hi to me. Guys, this is day 2 of running errands. Like, this place looks so beautiful. Day 2 of running errands. Hello guys. This is day 3 of looking for my parcel. But I think it has come because they sent me something this time around, so I'm going to get it.
Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week.
Guys, I'm here. Not really, almost there though.
Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you.
Guys, they told me that my destiny is not there. It's not in that place, so it's in another place. I'm about to go to another place and they will close by 1. This is after 11 already. I hope I meet up. Let me show you guys the Christmas market in my city.
I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me.
Another post office said that's not the place, but I have one in mind. But I don't know if it's there. Like, literally, I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm hoping it's this place. I'm thinking that it is. So yeah, I need to enter this supermarket here. I still have time. This is like 30 minutes to the time of the bus. So let me just quickly enter supermarket and then go to my station. I hope I make it sharp. See you soon. So guys, I've gotten it. You see the smile on my face, finally. So it's actually in a place that is very, very close to my house. Very close to my house. And I have to go all the way down there looking for it. Could have finished me today. If you see me, I'm sick cold. He has dealt with me today. So I finally gotten it. So yeah guys, I'll see you when I get home. I'm back and you all know that I'm already back in the house. So let me show you that I got. Okay, first of all, I got this bag, this beautiful brown bag, and this is the order that I've been going around looking for. I don't know what it is, but I feel like it should be hats, like winter hats. I don't know, but we'll see what is inside. I'm not opening it. So this bag, I got I got a makeup brush. Oh my god, who's that? Okay, I got a makeup brush. Gosh, let me open it for us to see what it's like. Ooh, I've always wanted to get a makeup brush, and okay, see what he has. Yeah, I love it, love it, love it, I love it, love it. Even though I have this too, I think, already, but nothing spoil. I like it. So yeah. So this bag. So this, it has this small bag inside, which I'm definitely gonna remove because, and I just love this color. Like, look at this. Don't you love it? You love, yeah? It has this long hand that you can hook here and here. But I don't like it, so you might not be using it. So yay! This is my bag. So that's it. And what I got, let's open it. So I got scissors. Let's cut it off. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. I've seen it. Oh my god. It's so cool. Oh my god. I love this. God, guys, I'm so sorry. I don't know how to act. Oh my god, look at this color. Guys, oh my goodness. Look at, oh my god, oh my god, thank you so much. You are the best. Gosh, this is so beautiful. Like, look at this detailing. Are you seeing this? Okay, if you guys don't know, this my friend. She knits clothes. Yeah, she did it by herself, like from scratch. She has done one for me, which I will insert the picture somewhere.
This moment to have you for myself in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no
Video for you to see, but this new one, Jesus, oh my god, I'm in love. Come on, who would not love this? Like, who wouldn't love this? Who would not? Oh my goodness, look at two. Gosh, I'm so happy, and I don't want this video to be so long. Let me go and call her straight up. Thank you so much for watching. As you can see, I'm so happy. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, and we have fun here, okay? Thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye. Love you, Minutes.